is about conditional formatting. All right, so we figured out that there are 10 R-rated movies. And let's say that we want to know which ones they are, so we need to highlight them. What you're going to do is select this whole row, not the header, and then you're going to go up to Format and select Conditional Formatting. Then you can see that the range is already selected because we highlighted it, and we need to change the rules. And we're going to choose Text Exactly, and type the letter capital R, because that's what we're looking for, because the text needs to match exactly. Then make sure you choose a different color than the rest of your sheet so it stands out. Green would be fine in my case, but maybe I'll change to pink. And then I'm going to press Done. And that shows those R-rated movies are highlighted red. Perhaps we'd also like to highlight the G-rated movies. So I'm going to highlight this area again, this column again, and I'm going to add another rule. I haven't closed this box, so I can just click here. If I do close it, you'll find it back here in Format, Conditional Formatting, and it looks exactly the same. So I'm going to add another rule. Right, so we don't want the whole thing to be green. So the range is correct. We need to change this again. Go to Text is Exactly, and you can type in the letter G. That's what you're looking for this time. And I'll leave it green this time. Maybe I'll do a lighter green, because I like to have paler colors on my sheet because I feel like that makes it easier to read. And I'm going to press Done. All right, so now my G-rated movies are also highlighted. Perhaps you're interested to know what movies were made after the year 2000. We can highlight this row of the year, because that's what we're looking for, not the header, just the dates. And we're going to add another rule, because this is already open. If you close this, you find it here, Conditional Formatting. All right, the range is already selected, so we don't need to change that. And we're going to change the rule to greater than or equal to. We don't choose date because these are actually formatted as numbers. So we don't need to worry about dates or anything. We just need greater than or equal to. And then you type in the year 2000. Or the number 2000, I guess, in this case. And I've already used green, so I'd like to use a different color just to make things stand out a bit more. So I chose a pale blue, and I press Done. Very good. And now I've got 3 conditional formatting pointed out for the movies that were made after the year 2000, G-rated movies, and R-rated movies. If you're interested in the best IMDb ratings, perhaps you choose the ones that are above, say, 9. So I'm going to highlight this whole row, add another rule to conditional formatting, greater than or equal to, just like we did before. And perhaps instead of highlighting them, I would just like to change the text color so it stands out differently than the rest. So I'm going to do none for the highlight. Oops, I forgot to fill in the greater than or equal to. I'm going to go with 9. And then I'm going to choose that the text color is, let's go with maybe bright blue. That might stand out. And done. Unclick. And now those 2 movies right here stand out a bit more than the others. And that's how you do conditional highlighting. If perhaps you'd like to get rid of some, you can click on this upper corner up here. It highlights the whole sheet, and you can see all of your conditional formatting that you've applied. So this one is the one that's blue text. This is a blue highlight, a green highlight, and you can actually see what you've done. So text is equal to R, it's equal to G, equal to 2000, whatever. Let's say I want to get rid of this one. Maybe it doesn't stand out enough for me, or maybe it doesn't give me the information that I'm looking for. All you have to do is click on the trash can, and it goes away. And make sure that you choose different colors so it's clear what it is you're looking for. If you'd like to put notes, blue means, green means, or red means, to help your reader better understand your sheet, well, that might be helpful too.